Hello, all, and welcome back. Today, we're at the Hilton Grand Vacations Club at SeaWorld Orlando. If you're heading to SeaWorld or coming for a convention at the Orange County Convention Center, or even just coming to Orlando in general, stay tuned. Okay, so this hotel is about a 5-minute drive from SeaWorld Orlando and only about 10 minutes from International Drive and the Orange County Convention Center, making this a super convenient location. Speaking of convenience, they also have a business center here. As an official SeaWorld partner, the Hilton Grand Vacations Club offers free shuttle to SeaWorld plus different discounts on dining and merchandise, as well as other perks such as priority entry. You could literally spend an entire day just at this resort. There's beautiful heated pools, children's areas, hot tubs, poolside dining, and so many amenities. Here at Provisions Market and Deli, we actually really enjoyed grabbing breakfast here. They do have breakfast sandwiches and pastries, but they're open throughout the day, 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. as of the time of this recording. So you can always hop in, grab a bite. They also have different gift shop items, toiletries, and Starbucks coffee. Coral Reef Bar and Grill opens around noon, and they are located poolside, so you can enjoy your tropical cocktails. You can get burgers, sandwiches, and other food during the day. Being a vacation club property, this resort offers rooms from studios all the way up to 3-bedroom villas. Our room was a king studio room, which is actually the smallest room located at this resort. So we're going to go ahead and tour that room now. Okay, so as you enter, you can see we have a bathroom on the right. You're going to have a single sink, commode, and shower tub combo. And then we have a little kitchenette with a microwave and mini fridge. Next, you can see our table and chairs and a small sitting area with chair and ottoman. So you have your king bed and television. And then most of the rooms have, well, many, I should say, have balconies, while our room had windows. But as you can see, we have a view of the pool kind of in the distance. And if you really look out far, you can see the top of SeaWorld. There are also accessible rooms available here. We found our room to be very, very clean, and the resort overall was very well taken care of, with the grounds and landscaping perfectly manicured and taken care of. In terms of value, your money really goes far here, especially if you're traveling as a family and you're looking for larger accommodations, which can sometimes be hard to find. Suites here sleep up to 8 guests, and they also include full kitchens with full-size appliances, which is really nice. Parking is free here, and there is a daily resort charge. This charge includes your internet, long-distance calls, unlimited DVD rentals, and coffee or bottles of water. When you check in, you'll receive an amenities card that entitles you to 2 cups of Starbucks coffee or 2 16-ounce bottles of water daily, and they can be redeemed at the market. Here you'll also find sports courts and supervised recreation programs for all ages. There's plenty of seating around the pools, and being as this resort is so large, about 33 acres, you feel like you are just away from all the hustle and bustle. You're not hearing traffic noise, and then there's also a really nice variety of walking and jogging paths with beautiful vegetation. Overall, this resort is a great option for solo travelers, couples, families. There are multiple options for accommodations, as well as a wonderful variety of amenities. If you are planning a trip to Orlando, I'd love to help you plan your vacation. And as a reminder, my planning services are complimentary. Thanks for watching.